Picture the scene. Shug's house party night 2. The RUDO boys are patching themselves up after a hard night, getting ourselves ready to go, and we hear this rapturous noise coming from the ring. My first thought is, well, Stevie Boy retains, no surprise there. But then we look at the monitor and what we see is DCT holding the ICW World Heavyweight title high above his head. The crowd celebrating, crying. It's such a monumentous victory for DCT. And the days go by, the tweets come in, the retweets go out. DCT, congratulations, we knew you had it in you. You were always more than just a moustache. There's one thing missing that all those people were thinking that they never said, and I'm going to say it right now. DCT, you're nothing but a fluke, jammy champion. And I'm happy for you. You're going to Ireland. You're going to defend the ICW title, and Pastures knew that is what the title does for you. It elevates your status. And then 2 days later, 26th of August at the garage, you have issued an open challenge. Any comers for the ICW World Heavyweight title. Now before you think I'm going to offer to fight you, no, it's not my time. But I know a guy that is the embodiment of professional wrestling, the embodiment of insane championship wrestling, and is much more deserving of a championship opportunity than you. See, you and this guy, you go way back. You crashed your wedding, pile drove your wife on your wedding day, took you through hell in a cage match, and yeah, you put up a fight as well. But I think it's about time this thing came full circle and we wrap this thing up real quick. August 26th, I propose that DCT defends the ICW World Heavyweight title against Bram. Over to you.